morning student. Today we are going to see a chapter 2 Python revision 2. In this lesson we are going to see about string and their functions and what is meant by string, what are the purpose of the strings. These things we are going to see in this chapter. I think you studied in previous classes what is meant by string. String is a collection of characters. The collection of characters is known as a string, like our name, our address. These are all the things we can say string. The string has two type of index. One is positive index and another one is negative index. Before we go inside to the string index, you have to know one thing, that in Python program the integer numbers are written like this: a equal to 5. A is a integer variable, and float b equal to 5.5 means b is a float variable. This is a float value. Now next, c equal to, in single quotes, c is a one character, so c variable is a character variable. But string variable, how we can write a string variable, sir? Means d is a string variable. You consider d is a string variable. Now in Python the string we can write in three types. One, in single quotes, like a, B, C is a one name. You keep this is a one name, like this is a string. And one more type, we can write a string in one more type also, that is a double quotes, A, B, C. And third type, D equal to triple quote, A, B, C, D. You can ask me what are the purpose of these types are, why we are using the single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. The string is the same, the result is the same, A, B, C, D, but what is the purpose of single, double, triple quote? I tell you. Listen, if string single quote, first we will see a single quote, A, B, C, D. Otherwise we will keep a one name, D equal to any name, Ramo. I am writing. If I try to print a D, means the same will be displayed on the screen, Ramo, like okay. If I am trying double quote, Ramo, I want to display a double quote also, like this. Now I am printing. Print D means what happened? Actually the output should be print like this: RA double quote MU, but it won't be print like this, because the Python program will consider this is a open statement, open double quotes, and this is a closed double quotes. This one you give here as extra, so it show a error. அதாவது என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரிங்கை நம்ம கொடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா சிங்கிள் கோட்டில் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், டபுள் கோட்லேயும் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ட்ரிபிள் கோட்லேயும் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சிங்கிள் கோட்னா ஓகே ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் அப்படியே வந்துடும். டபுள் கோட் கொடுத்துட்டு சப்போஸ் நீங்கள் உள்ள டபுள் கோட்டு எனக்கு ஸ்க்ரீனில் பிரிண்ட் ஆகணும், டபுள் கோட்டு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா அது நமக்கு எரர் வரும். என்ன எரர் சார்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, ஓப்பனிங்க்கு ஒன்று கொடுத்துட்டீங்க, இந்த டபுள் கோட் நம்ம பிரிண்ட் ஆக கொடுத்தோம்ல சார், அது வந்து எண்டாக அது கன்சிடர் பண்ணிவிட்டு எக்ஸ்ட்ராவாக ஒரு டபுள் கோட்ஸ் இங்கே ஸ்க்ரீனில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நமக்கு காமிக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் அ double quotes. To avoid this error you have to use a triple quote by covering it. Triple quoteல கவர் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இந்த டபுள் கோட் நமக்கு ஸ்க்ரீனில் பிரிண்ட் ஆகிடும். அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் திங், த ட்ரிபிள் கோட் ஸ்ட்ரிங் நம்ம எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் சார்னா, we can use for addressing. நம்ம ஒரு சில இடத்துல அட்ரஸ் டைப் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா சார், மல்டி லைன் டைப் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா, ஃபார் மல்டி லைன் ஸ்ட்ரிங் we can use a triple quote. What is sir multi-line? I couldn't understand. Means I am saying, see, D equal to triple quote la first line, second line, third line triple quote போட்டிங்கன்னா போதும். ஸ்டார்டிங் இங்கே, எண்டிங் இங்கே மட்டும் போட்டால் போதும். ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி லைன் we don't want to write double quote, starting and ending. That's enough. That is a string defining three types. Next we will see a positive index and negative index. Here they give as a forward indexing and backward indexing. The forward indexing, that means positive indexing, always starts from 0. See, is a 0 index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative index always start from last and it start in -1. This is a negative index. If you want to print any one individual character, like print, we will keep this is a of 2 means what will be the output? The 2 second index t is a output. Suppose I am giving -2 means what is a -2 indexing? 0 is a output. This is a positive and negative indexing. See here, string in Python are stored as individual character in continuous locations with two-way indexing for each locations. This is a string in Python. Next, dear student, you just know what is meant by lenf function. The lenf function in string used to find the length of the string. Suppose I am giving a equal to one name, ADHARS, others I am giving len of a means what is the length of this string? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 is the length of the string. That means 0 to 6 index. You know what I am saying? Do you understand what I am saying? 7 is a length. The index of that 7, 0 to 6. This is a lenf function. You just knowing it. One more question they will have a chance to ask this lenf. Next, item assignment not supported in string. Dear student, you have to know one thing. We can't able to assign items in a string. If you want to assign any one, suppose see here examples. Name is a string variable. Hello, what is the index starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total length is 5. If suppose I am trying to assign instead of hello in 0 index p means this is not supported because string is immutable. We can't assign any letters for modifying. Next, we are going to see traversing a string. Traversing refers to iterating through the element of string. That means the traversing means the strings will print one by one. That is a traversing by using the loops. That is a traversing. See here, traversing refers to iterating through the element of string one character at a time. The string which is printed one by one, the one character at a time, that is a traversing. Here you can see one examples program. Here code is a string variable, powerful is a string, the length of the string is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 0 to 7, 8 is the length of the string. For ch in code, ch in code means first ch will take as a 0 automatically. The 0 index will be print ch end of. See, this is a output one by one. The letters of a string will be print one by one. That is a traversing. Next, we are going to see a string operator in Python program. There are some string operators are available in Python program. We will see that purpose of the string operator. First, string concatenation operator. The plus operator creates a new string by joining the two operand. See, string concatenation is nothing if we are using a plus symbol for joining a two string, like we will add 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Likewise, for adding a two string together is known as a string concatenation operator. Next, String replication operator, repetition, they will say this operator is known as a repetition. The symbol star is using for replication operator. See, suppose you are giving a one string in 3 times, means the output will be print like this 3 times, ha ha ha, like that. I am giving a ha, the word 3 times, means like this the output will be displayed on the screen. Next we are going to see a membership operator. There are 2 types of membership operators in string. One is in, another one is not in. In means like a if condition. If the given string inside to the second string means the condition is true. If the string is not in this string means the output is false. You can see one examples program. See, A, the letter A in Heya, yes, the letter A is here, so the result is true. Suppose Jap in Heya, the word, there is no word Jap, so the result is false. This is a membership operator. Most probably the membership operator we will use in a for loop. Before we saw one examples program, see, I am showing in for loop. See here, sir, here they used a in operator, membership operator. CH, the index in code means the output will be displayed, otherwise the loop will be get executed.